Today we're taking the opportunity to replace the rear crank seal on Mike's B18 in his rallying 544. What I'll do on this video is we'll go in fast time, removal of the gear stick, then removal of the prop shaft, removal of the gearbox, then out comes the bell housing, followed by the flywheel, then we'll go into slow time. So all that'll be in quick time with no voiceover, and then we'll go back to slow time as soon as I get inside of the flywheel. Okay, let's start off with removal of the gear stick.